Some doctors are good at fixing broken legs or upset tummies, while others are good at helping cure more unusual problems, like a case of the hiccups. Of course, it helps to be a doctor with a magic touch.
As you can see, Miss Scary, I've got a terrible case of the hiccups.
Well, I know just the cure for that. Ah! Boy, I can't even scare him out of you. This is a job for the hiccup doctor. I love when you do that.
Hiya, Miss Magic. Can you help me?
What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad case of the hiccups.
Aye, you've come to the right place. As a hiccupologist, I'm trying to cure even the worst case of hiccups. Bibbledy beeps and bibbledy bops, bring an end to your silly hiccups. Isn't it amazing?
Totally. But now Miss Daredevil talks like a goat.
Yes, but our hiccups are cured. Okay, maybe not completely cured.
I don't speak goat, but I think she wants her old voice back.
No problem. Let's just try this again. Bibbledy-tat and bibbledy-tat, give the gold girl her voice back. Ta-da!
Okay, now that is scary.
Oh, this is more serious than I thought. Bibbledy-doo and bibbledy-does, turn her back into the way she was.
Whoa, Nellie!
This is great!
Hey, my hiccups are gone. You did it. Thanks, Miss Magic.
Sometimes my magic surprises even me. Woo! Ta-da! Woo!
That was fantastically frightening! I love it!
Uh-oh. Should I call Miss Magic back?
Nah, I have a better idea. Help me carry this thing over to my house. It'll be good and scary in my dining room.